Hello, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. And here we are, one more day, trying to just making sure that there's live. I think we're live, so okay, I'm just gonna go. Um, so open. We just open. Yesterday the market was closed, and these are my positions that I still own. UAL, I've done nothing. I haven't sold any shares. Oh, BBIO, nice. Going higher. Real, this one is, yeah, it's a little bit. I'm just probably not. I'm thinking of giving it to 20 because it's been, for in the past it has um been very kind to the 20, so I might give it to the 20. MU, beautiful. There's nothing to do, like buying or adding something. I cannot add to MU at this point. That's good. Cipher, which is my long-term position. IPO-ish. I like the first leg. I like the theme that it represents. So I'm just, hoping it keeps making high lows, and it holds as long as it holds the 1330 area. I'm happy with that position. Jovi, the same in another theme. Very strong. RKLP is also looking good, but who knows? Who knows? Who knows? One have to wait. I'm the same. As long as it keeps making higher lows, I'm happy. Gold. This is the problem. If we keep seeing this, because if you can, as you can see, we're just smashing against the 50. Yeah, we get pop, against the 50 and right on, boom, we start selling. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's go with the scan. Oh, Nvidia, nice. Nice, nice, nice. No tightness, no nothing, but yeah. On the last day, broke down, very ugly close, and today we're just surpassing that area. And I had Google also. Okay. Oh wow. Oh God, yes. It's not the nicest, but because of the fact that it's Google, I'm happy. I'm gonna take it. Wait, can I? Because I think I have too many positions, open positions, and I haven't been able to sell some interest strength. No, I cannot. I cannot buy Google. It's how it is. It's how it is. But that's a setup. Yeah. By all means, that is a very, very nice. Now, will it hold? That's a setup I will take. A little bit extended, but it's good. No, it's fine. The volume also on the 5 minute after breaking out from that. Yeah, that's very nice. Very, very nice. Copy Google. Today's Friday. Maybe. Sorry, guys. I'm just seeing. Look at that. Now it's fading away. Yeah, no, I don't think I can trade it. Hmm. I don't think I can trade it. But that's, yeah, probably the best setup. like for now. And the risk is just, look at this, 1.4%. Well, right now, less, even less than that. My God, 1% risk. Jesus Christ, you can put your whole account there if you wanted to. And the risk will still, if it, if you get yourself out, you will still be risking nothing. Wow. Damn. Saying ABO, Marble. Oh my God, it's always the same. It's the same day. Everything goes. Exact same day. LRCX, but I tried to take it here, of course, got stopped out. Yeah, that's how it is. And when we break, look at this breakout to that's a breakout to the upside. What the hell? Oh my God. We've just been channeling, but who knows? Because the strongest breakout is the horizontal, like we could still go, okay, if this is going up, but we could still be going like, bam, 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 for a while. Photo. Oh, it's a semi-days, clearly. Oh my. It is a semi-days. That's a breakout. It's a little bit of a barcode. It's a little bit of a barcode, but yeah, I wouldn't even put it in blue arrow. Like I will still, yeah, put it in green. Just because semis, eh, not really. It's not been the nicest, cleanest, strongest. And I'm in MU, which for me is the leader right now of the semis. For now, GMO. Oh my God, I'm still trying. Like, what can I sell? Because Google is one of the things where you go and see, okay, I want to own it, but do I need to sell? You know what I mean? Don't trade leverage ETF. No, there's no chance. Cannot buy. My account's so small that it's, yeah. Another one I use margin or leverage ETFs. So Google. Oh, it's the nicest, cleanest setups. The horizontal, but as I said, it's been pressing against this right hand side. We got the volume right from the word go. That's what you buy. That is what you buy. And it's got the news also because it's got this, I don't know, GPU over the LPU. I'm not sure what's the name of the one from Google, but it's been, like deal breaker. So Yeah, it's a semi-days. I mean, MU, so that's good. So, Google is the biggest price here because in this market, you never know, and yeah, you have to be careful, this and that. At Google is the place to be. As a new positions, but yeah, MU. Your yell relative weakness. Uh, thinking. Oh, wait. We need time for the market to. Okay, another one. Media. Nice. Socks also are beautiful, at least for now. But again, if we cannot keep making high lows and break this 5076, we're not really out of the hood, or not out of the, sorry, out of the forest, let's say. Hmm. Oh, AMD also, that's a breakout. That is a breakout. It's not as nice, not as clean, but because now we broke this base breaker, but then we have these resistance also. It's not as clean. The best is Google today, I would say. Yeah, by far the best is Google. To me, that's to me. And you could argue that on the left hand side you also have, but we come from building up, this sort of base, and now we're breaking it. Even Apple is happy. TSM, oh wow, TSM. Oh, it's an all-time break. Yeah, it's a semi-days, no question. It's a an SNDK. It's just relentless, relentless. Look at this. Boom, building high lows. The sector is, we know the sector is strong, and now we just break it. This is an A plus setup. Also, to me, this is an A plus. It's not as clean. It's not as building the high lows. Yeah, I will take that one also. Friday. Yeah. Sandy K, you're grabbing me by the neck. Let me tell you, because that's very nice. It's the risk. 8%, and it's an 8%. Yeah, that's the limit. Let's see if we can have one more to, one a little bit more cooking on the right hand side. Yeah. And base, little by little. CM. This is a different sector. This is, oh no, communication equipment. Nice. Whew, AMD is all out. All out. Oh, wow. Jesus, this is. Because this is the kind of stocks that you want to own. And the day that they break out, we could tell this A plus, not A plus environment, but A plus um stocks based on the A plus environment. And yeah, historically it's been, yeah, historically it has been, but uh, okay. I'm gonna make a decisions. I don't like. I don't like. Well, what's going on? It's gone. UAL. What am I doing in UAL? I don't know. So I'm gonna close my positions in UAL because I just don't think it's a strong sector. Yeah, we need to make up our minds. So let's close. Well, I'm gonna close. I'm closing that down in order to buy not AMD because I already have AMU. So, but I want to buy UAL. I want to buy. I want to buy Google. It's just oh shit. It's gone. Now it's gone. Ah, I had to buy late, but anyways. Okay. At least I'm involved with some stocks into Google. 31713, that's my stop. Three one seven oh one. Ah, very, very small size, but anyways, it is what it is. Now at least I'm in the sector where I want to be, which is so this arrow ended up being so yeah, this has to be pink, and we send it to positions. Here we go. Ah, still hurts the GLD. It's coming back down, but it has to be taken. It's just that's the type of success is thrown. Yeah, INTZ MU. Whoa. AMD, yeah, it's below the 50. I don't know. Yeah, it's not as nice. It's to me, yeah. It's just in my opinion. If I were to buy something, in fact, even probably the best looking is TSM at the moment. Gap up, but not too much tightness on the breakout, and then flat base break, pure flat base like breakout. Yeah, that's I don't know why. Now here, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking here. Oh yeah, at the time, yeah, it was high, surpassing, and yes, should I have account for the no stopped? Yeah, it stopped out, and then it went. Yep. Okay. This is probably better. This is the best. Not the best. This is the purest flat base breaker as per se. This is a flat base breakout. That's what it is. Ooh, Baidu. What? Look. Mm-hmm. Really, I think we need a day like this. Where stuff, even Ethereum. Yeah, nice. You won't buy there, but nice. CCJ, GB. Oh, wow. Strange. Oh, no, they're different now. Sorry. Sempin. That's communication equipment. AMKR also. Yeah, that's another very cool, very nice. Look at this. So your risk is probably okay off today, 3%. And you can put here 200 dollar stock, a lot. If it ends up working and moving, oh my god, yeah, it's very nice. Flatty, basic, more or less. It's another one. Semi. It's a semi day. And again, blue arrow, what does it mean? It means I cannot open more risk. A plus setup for me. I cannot open more risk than what I already have. The scenarios is so choppy. Jesus Christ. Cannot take it. Yeah, but it's a 200. No, thanks. Plus the sector. Yeah, it's super important to say. That's why I sold UAL. Like, I'm sorry, but no. I don't think, I'd rather have Google than the known UAL. If I have to choose, I'll always choose Google, even if I get stopped out today. I will always choose something like Google above UAL or Bank or, yeah. This is what's happening with, yeah, Twilio. Nice. And Reddit is also not as nice. Yeah. Twilio is nicer. Ooh. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Nice. Look at that base. Boom, boom, boom. Perhaps a little bit more cooking, maybe 2 days sideways and then. Wow, what's next doing? What's the solar VSLR next time? Oh, I don't remember. What's the other one? But yeah, nice. Nice, 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 nice. Oof. Nice day. Jesus, we need something like like a release day and, risk on setups that were, there, but not really going today. They're going and moving and yeah, good. 118 stocks at this time of the day. Finally. INTC also beautiful. Small flat base. Boom. I just think it's top your MU already owned. Yeah, raised. It's a Naples setup on that day. And TSN, which for me is the cleanest, the purest. The purest breakout. That's a flat base breakout. Yeah, not the clean. Yeah. Mm, not 100% clean and nice, but that is. And again, you can put in 2% risk. My God. On a 2% risk for $300 stock, you can put your 40% of your account, 50. And if you lose, it will only, dent your portfolio 0.8, 0.7%, 0.1. Well, 0.79% buy. Amazing. Yeah, but time. Yeah, you take Baba instead of Baidu, and you're underwater. You were underwater like 2 days. How many? 2 days ago? No, not two. 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago. You took Baba instead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you were underwater. Now it's going, but okay. Let me see the leaders. What are my leaders? AMD. I know. Leave me alone. Alta. Wow, nice, nice, nice. Oh, wow. Good to be on top of this special retail. It's been going. It's been going. And ONDS. GLD. Jesus Christ. Another third. Woo. Googling. Googling. Oh, it's good. Just set your, because that's normally what the stocks do. So one have to be patient, one have to wait. The setup is there, and you just you put your stock and you wait with appropriate risk reward. We are not in a raging bull market. For the time of the year is good, but one have to wait. Let's see. Okay, now I want to see the leaders. What? This is a relative weakness at its finest. Oof. One tier so. Oh, APP. Photo. DA11 MP. Oh, are you setting up again? What is going on? Oh, oh no. Leaders gonna lead till they stop leading. Oh. Again, the weekly looks nice, but yeah, it has to recover, you know. Google, what are you doing? Come on, get back. Come on, you. So, wow, the bleeding never stops. That's another breakdown, but now it's so down, but that's a breakdown. Mini base again, if we turn this upside down, that's a bull flag, breakout. If we turn it upside down, no, just we're just leaving, yeah. The risk is 1.7%. Perhaps, well, no, 2.3%. And off we go. Off we go to hell. Highway to hell. Microsoft also breaking down. What is going on? Microsoft to the 200. This is something, yeah, this is not what you want to see. Mm. Google has probably stopped me out already altogether. Not yet, but yeah. Oh, wow. Frog. Oh, wow. Let's see. I didn't expect to see such breakdowns. This is awareness. This is something, like something doesn't add up. Okay, we're going up. The leaders are leading, so that means maybe that there's some unprofitable stocks making money or making the moves. But that's not the case, like when we had the quantum computing. Came, what was it? Last month, I think. No, or 2 months ago? No, last month. Protective mode. Back up. 318. See if it holds. GV is still there holding. To me, that's unnatural and ugly. When do you see? I don't know. I just don't think it's appropriate to buy him. JDD stopped out. Google stop myself. Yeah, just gonna check. Stopped out of Google. Not much, because again, the my size was small, but yeah, that's me. Oh, a little bit more. No, not gonna close it. 31701 is my stop. But yeah, ugly, ugly. Oh, stopped out. There we go. Yeah, now I'm stopped out. Okay. Yeah, this is what it is. It's just Emmy, really, now. Wow. Doing its own thing. Something doesn't add up. Okay, Emu is the beast, and it's just, in its own world. But no, something is combined. Mm. EMPH, another solar. Poof. Aluminum. That's a breakout. And a commodity. It hasn't go as much. Um, Small size buy. AA. 53.85. Commodities. Yeah, you go for it. You go for it. On something like this, commodities, volume, several 4% breakouts. Yeah, one has to go for it. That thing or the nasty thing is that Google, like we might get today, last time today, awful, but we might get to the last beat of the day today, and this thing goes on and closes strong. Even if we come, I'm gonna set an alarm here, coming back, which is what they tend to do. Gut feel, we gut feel, and then we close strong. Let's say. It's open market, so you stick your stop and wait. Let's see how that closes because that volume, that's relevant. No matter how you look at it, that's relevant. So you wait. It's just Google doesn't just become broken toy. You just wait and see how it closes. But don't. I wouldn't touch it until the close. Now in this case, so you don't get stopped out. Second time, third time, fourth time. We get stopped out once, and we that's the we test the waters, and something is telling us be careful, wait. That's what we do. We're careful and we wait. Gold looks awful. I'm looking at the hourly. I'm like, God, this is a sword against this 404.46 something. Oh my God, it looks bad. AA commodity, okay, I'll take that one. That's a nice, for a commodity which is in place. Okay. Of course, that's the better setup, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop it. Yeah, 4:23. I'm gonna stop it here. Yeah, I hope you have had a good time and enjoy the process. China is back. Yeah, one more revision of the 4% breakout. Nice. Hey, 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 hey. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the numbers. have gone down. Oh, nice. This one, yeah, that's a breakout also. Come back, getting tight crazily, but yeah. Aluminum. My God, the time is now for aluminum. Aluminum. I still seen an issue. I'm not seeing an issue, but I'm worried. Yeah, because there are leaders that are not leading at this stage. So we're going to push the market up. It's concern. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stop it here. So BBIO, which I still own, but now is put in a sort of double top. Real, I'm gonna hold it to the 20. If it doesn't hold the 20, I'm out. MU, good. I'm gonna trade something into strength today. In fact, I might do it now. The trim. Yeah, you have to. I've been here since that day, which is not much, but we're sort of extended ugly market. I'm selling a quarter of my MU. More than that, about 40% of my positions. I'm closing in. I'm just, yeah, eh, take your profits and run. Yes, I don't see, yeah, the reversal on Google was just brutal. And gold, if we continue to, if we break down this level, I'm not gonna hold anything else. Break that. That's my stop. All my ads and everything. I had to go from here and from here. Yeah, that time I got stopped out, but here, stopped out here, stopped out that one and that one. So yeah, I'm well in the and here. I like AA if we can keep pushing. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for listening, and please ask me any questions. If you think that was good and that was nice and you enjoy it, please give it me a thumb or a comment or whatever. It will help me a lot also. Take